Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to change YouTube channel banner in your YouTube channel. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open YouTube Studio and tap on top right your YouTube channel icon. After that, here you have to click on again pencil icon at the right corner. Click on this pencil icon. After that, here you have to click on again this camera icon bottom of this your YouTube channel banner. Click on this camera icon and here click on choose from your mobile phone gallery. Now here you have to select any picture which you want to add in your YouTube channel banner. Now here you have to adjust this picture to the frame of YouTube channel banner. After adjusting this picture, you have to click on top right save icon. Now here you can see our YouTube channel banner has been added. In this way, you can change your YouTube channel banner in your Android smartphone or YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.